Hey, this is Kerbel and I'm going to teach you how to do the orbital flight. Looks like this. So to do this trick, you need to perform a finger spin and bring the string behind your neck. Once you do this, you'll take up your cap and you should grab it in this position because it's easier to perform everything else from here. So now you get to this point, you will pop the yo-yo inside the cap, and at the same time you will grab the cap. But this is the best tip I can give you, is that you have to pinch this string against the cap like this. So when you grab it with only your non-throw hand, you can go around or flip it and the yo-yo will stay in place. So once we're here, you'll go all the way around your head to undo the loop you have with the string behind your neck. So I'll do it again. And remember, this is a grind trick, so you have to do it very fast in order to get more time to do the bind in the end. So it takes a bit of practice, but it's doable. So to bind the yo-yo, you need to put the cap in this position so it's easier to reach the yo-yo and go around it. We'll do the shoulder motion or wrist motion I taught in earlier videos. And what will happen would be this, and then go around counterclockwise and then pull. And the yo-yo should bind. I'll show you one more time what it looks like. Remember, you need to throw it very strong so you get more time to do the trick. And you can even add a tornado bind inside the cap. And this is how you do orbital flight.